Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can simply use Wrike. So let's start. Wrike is a really good tool for project management and also for personal use if you wanted to. Now, if you would be in Wrike here and you're gonna be in all your spaces and projects, you wanna simply let's just click on whatever project you have. And here I will show you everything. When you're gonna be in Wrike, I recommend going left down corner and you're gonna see show spaces. And how is it? So I'll just write it in Notepad. The first thing is what you got is space. Then you have projects, or from space you have folders, and in folders you can have another projects, and in projects you can have tasks. So this is how it works, right? So the main thing is a space. It can be for your team. It can be, let's say, YouTube. Then in projects and folders, you're gonna create YouTube channel number 1, YouTube channel number 2, or you create a folder and there you can create projects. So now I can simply come here, click plus here and create a new project or create a new folder. When you're gonna create a new project, you can simply invite someone or you can share it with someone. And then you can have a default view that you can change in the future to board, table, Gantt chart. It's up to you. I'm going to choose a table now. So I'm going to create a project and it's going to be named, let's say, I don't know, marketing strategy. Create a project. When I have it right now, as I mentioned, you have option to choose between list, board, as a Kanban board, table, and Gantt chart. Now, in table, you can simply click add task here and you can simply add a new task as, I don't know, let's say, Google Ads. So this is my first task I have. What can I do? I can assign it to someone. I can choose a start date, due date, and duration. What you can do next is just click plus here on add column, and you can simply add multiple columns here as a progress, time spent, important status group, etc., which is really cool. In the right bottom corner, you can simply add another users if you want to the project that you have. Now, to go even further, what you can do is simply add a task. And let's get Facebook ads. And now I'm going to open a task here by just going above the Google Ads and click on the view details. When I'm going to view the details, I can simply change the status. I can add a assignee. I can also choose where I want to actually move my task. Then I gotta see a set date. Let's go to 4 to 18. Then I can simply add a subtask if I want to. And I can see Google Ads video. And then in this subtask, I can create different subtasks. And if I'm going to close the task right now, as you can see, it automatically created a subtask for me. So this is really perfect. Now, let's open it again. I get the subtasks, then I can simply attach files and add dependencies. You can also share it with other people if you want to. Then you can add a description here and you can simply add a comment. Now, what you can do is also delete the comment if you want to. Yes. And this is pretty much it. So this is how you can simply create a project and this is how you can create a new task and subtasks. Then what you can do is simply click plus here and add a folder if you want to. Again, list, board, table. Let's create it. And folder 1. Let's create it. And you can simply take whatever project you have and insert it to the folder. Then you can have multiple projects in your folder if you want to. Then if you're gonna right top corner, you're gonna see my to-do, create by me, start tasks. You can create reports or even dashboard here of everything. And you can add new widget. And as you can see, you can create your dashboard by start task, project widget, backlog, so many things, right? Right top corner, you're gonna see your profile and you can simply go to settings. And in settings, you can change the profile. Now you're gonna see work schedule here if you want to change it. Non-working days. Account information. Email preference. Themes if you want to change the colors and everything. Then you're gonna see users here. You can simply invite someone here. or you can remove person. So when I'm going to click here, I can delete the user. So this is something that you can do too. Then you're going to see work schedules here, and this is something that you can change. So if you're working only 4 days a week, you can simply change it to Monday to Thursday or Tuesday to Friday, or like even if you're working 2 days a week, that's crazy. In today's times, to working only 2 days a week, you can go with the Monday and Tuesday. Now you're going to see subscription here. You can simply purchase the subscription. Then you're going to see settings here. And you can also edit all the settings like full account backup or quick account backup if you want to, and security. Now, this is pretty much it. And this is how you use. You can go even to dashboard. Let's go to a home button and you can simply click reports but you need your premium account for that. So if you have any questions, guys, if you have any ideas what you want to see, etc., I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.